Have you ever worried about the prices of commodities increasing, or whether you will get an increment at your next appraisal, or about your job prospects? Well, macroeconomics aims to address the same concerns at a higher level. How to distribute limited resources to satisfy as many of people's infinite wants as possible. How does it work? Let's look at Mrs. Saxena's household, where she lives with her two children. Mrs. Saxena is the CEO of a detergent manufacturing company. Macroeconomics is not concerned with how much Mrs. Saxena's household spends monthly on sugar or flour, or how many kilos of detergent her company produces annually. Analyzing individual consumption and production is impossible with so many moving parts to look at simultaneously. Macroeconomics instead aggregates the different moving parts in the system and looks at their interrelationships, allowing us to see how one factor impacts the other. Macroeconomics is concerned with the behavior of the economy as a whole. It aggregates factors, giving us a big picture or top-down view of the economy. In this module, let's take a closer look at key factors that form the framework for macroeconomic analysis. We will learn about concepts such as GDP, how it is measured, and its key components. We will also look at inflation and key measures of inflation. The module will then touch upon topics such as government debt and deficit, the role of external trade, and impact on currency. We will briefly see how India has performed on some of these parameters, which will help cement your understanding on the subject. Finally, we will end with the role of domestic, monetary, and fiscal policies, and external policies as well. Let us begin with the basic structure of a market economy. Let's look at an example. Here we assume a basic market structure where there is one household and one firm and they operate with each other. A household in Andheri, Mumbai buys and consumes goods and services from Shah Communications. When households buy goods like appliances or consume services like the internet, such purchases become revenue for Shah Communications. Shah Communications needs to pay the various factors of production, which are mainly land and labor, that is, salary payments, rent or land dues for office space, and payments for other resources they have used. When Shah Communications makes these payments, this money goes back into households as income. This is the basic structure of a market economy. The market economy structure is